How to create super lather. In the shaving community, super lather is known as mixing a shaving soap and a shaving cream together. You will incorporate both methods for lathering a soap and cream in this step. I'd recommend lathering your super lather in a bowl. Add an almond-sized amount of shaving cream to your mug or bowl. Then, with your brush damp, load it with shave soap. Now mix the shave soap and shaving cream together in the bowl. If your mixture is dry, incorporate a little bit of water by running your brush underneath the faucet once. Continue swirling and pumping the mixture until your lather starts to build. If it's still dry, incorporate some more water. Now you have a rich, thick, cushioning lather. A good lather should resemble a meringue or Cool Whip, and it'll have a nice sheen to it in your palm when it shines in the light. I have plenty here for multiple passes. Thoroughly rinse your bowl and brush when finished. Lightly shake out your brush. You can pat it dry on a towel. Store it in an open, airy place so it can completely dry out.